Help! No!
Imagine shouting for help and no one comes. You scream, you beg, but everyone thinks you're lying. How would that feel? Today, you'll meet a boy whose lies cost him everything. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In a lively village nestled beside rolling green hills lived a young boy named Pip. Pip was known for his bright smile and even brighter imagination, which sometimes got the better of him. He was tasked with watching the village sheep, a job he found a little quiet. To liven things up, Pip would often shout, "Wolf! A wolf is coming!" with great excitement. The kind villagers, hearing his cries, would drop their tasks and rush to his aid, armed with sticks and worried frowns. But when they arrived, they would find only Pip giggling beside a sleepy lamb. "Just a practice alarm," he'd declare, a mischievous glint in his eye. This happened again and again. One market day, Pip cried, "Wolf! A wolf is trying to steal the baker's bread." The villagers hurried, leaving their stalls. They found him pointing at a curious squirrel trying to nibble a dropped crumb. Cora, a wise elder, sighed softly. "Pip, our trust is precious," she said, her voice kind but firm. Then, one cloudy afternoon, a real shadow fell across the hills. A large, shaggy wolf with eyes like amber truly emerged from the forest, heading straight for the grazing sheep. Pip saw it. His heart pounded like a drum. "Wolf! A real wolf! It's here!" he screamed, his voice trembling with genuine fear. But the villagers, busy with their chores, barely looked up. "Oh, Pip and his wolves again," they murmured, shaking their heads with weary smiles. They had heard it all before. The wolf scattered the sheep, causing a fright, and then vanished back into the trees. Pip watched, tears welling in his eyes. He understood then that a voice, once doubted, takes time and truth to be heard again. From that day on, Pip only spoke when it truly mattered, and slowly the villagers learned to trust their little shepherd once more. If you enjoyed this story, drop a heart in the comments. We'd love to see if you like this kind of story. It helps us know it's worth making more just for you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the bell so you won't miss our next stories. See you in the next one.